it's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I just wanted to share with you a pre-market video here, let you guys know what's going on this morning. Jobless numbers came out, jobless claims came out at 8:30 this morning. Much better than expected numbers, only 881,000 unemployment claims versus the 950,000 unemployment claims they were expecting. Last week it was over 1 million claims, so about 200,000 less claims this week than last week, and much lower than what analysts and Wall Street was expecting. So with that news, the markets were down quite a bit, and that's given the Dow a lift to the green side here. So we're positive now in the pre-market hours. It's about 8:46 a.m. We're looking good there. Also, the continuation claims for August 21st, 13.254 million versus 14 million expected. So that's much better than expected as well. So what that number means is basically the people who are on unemployment, every week they have to file a new claim. So that's showing that those claims are going down. People are stopping. I guess they're finding jobs, and that's really great for the economy there. So I love what I'm seeing there. Carnival Cruise Line, and we're getting a nice pop here on Carnival Cruise Line. This stock's up almost 3% in the pre-market hours, reaching $17. We made some trades on this yesterday. That's looking great. Facebook, about consolidation. We're looking for, if it breaks down below that 292, I'll look for further retracement. But I think we're going to see the markets pick up after the news that came out this morning with the jobless claims. And we are looking pretty good here. Pre-market movers, we got the banks. Financials doing really well. Bank of America is up about 1.63%. Citigroup's up about 0.9%. And other than that, Facebook's down about 1.5%. JP Morgan Chase is up 2% here in the pre-market hours. You can take a look at JPM, and you'll see the banks are getting a nice pop. There's JP Morgan Chase. Here's Bank of America, another nice pop climbing off that 1020 SMA. JP Morgan's got resistance right about 105. That's looking good there. Pinterest is down about 2% today, this morning. Let's see here. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's not doing too much. It's pretty flat here, 115.35 a share. And then, of course, we have Wells Fargo is up about 1%. WFC, and that's looking good here, coming off base support of about $24 a share. This might be a nice stock to be looking at and trade that up to about 27 resistance. So we got some nice opportunities here. Great numbers that came out this morning from the jobless claims. I'm looking forward to that. And then we also had Rocket Mortgage that reported after the bell yesterday for the first time since they had their IPO on August 6th here. So nice, pulled down to that 10. We're going to be looking for that climb off that support right here. We have support right around $27 a share. If we get that green candle climbing above that 29 resistance here from going back from mid-August here, that's where I'm going to be adding to a position or making a new shorter term position on Rocket Mortgage. So pre-markets are looking good. We're getting a climb here off of that news that came out with jobless claims. And I'm looking forward to the day, guys. We'll be looking for some day trades with some volatility here in the markets, and we'll possibly look for some swing trades for next week's expo as well. So hope everyone has a great day. That's going to be what we're going to be looking at. Carnival Cruise Lines. Let's take a look at Delta, what Delta is doing as well here. Delta Airlines getting a climb here as well off that 10, just as we've been talking about that. Candle above previous candle's body. We'll look for that to continue to climb. I want to see that above that at least 3150 by the end of today. Alrighty, guys, take care. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you live at 9:30. Take care. Bye-bye.